BMC 50 PC Body Art Multiple Design Stencils Kit 4. My 3-year-old absolutely loves this kit. We bought this after getting one done on vacation on the boardwalk. The tattoos last about a week. I will say that the glitter definitely rubs off a little each night from sleeping on them. I'm looking to buy more stencils now. Plenty of glitter left over after using the 12 stencils. Although you could reuse the stencils, I find it hard to do so. Directions say to apply the glue, then remove stencil before putting on glitter. I find it hard to do this because once stencil is removed, it's a clear glue on the skin and you cannot really see where to apply glitter. Much easier to apply the glitter while the tattoo is still on. Once stencils are caked with glitter, it's harder to reuse. We tried to do these at my 3-year-old's birthday party, and several moms decided against letting their kids get the tattoos because the stencil stickers are very sticky and moms thought it would be painful to the kids to remove them. My 3-year-old has very short arm hair and she flinched a little. Maybe it would be borderline painful to remove sticker stencils for some kids or kids with long arm hair. Double Heart Infinity Temporary Tattoo. Looks great and lasts a good amount of time. Arrived in a cute package in a timely manner. Did not irritate my skin or made the image look flaky. Temporary Tattoo Pen Kit 36-piece set. We had bought several different types of tattoo pens from area craft stores. Most of them had at least half the pens dry and useless and non-returnable due to store policies. We bought these on Amazon based on a friend's recommendation and were pleasantly surprised. Colors bright and vibrant. All the pens were in new condition, not dried out like the store pens had been. My only disappointment was that there really isn't a lot of ink in these. They dry up much faster than regular markers. For the price you would think they would last longer. I'll be buying more. Wish there were more colors or choices of colors. Efivs Arts D Series Skull Tribal Dragon Koi Design. Want body art and arm without the permanent commitment? Then slip on these tattoo sleeves for an awesome look that you can change as often as you want. Lightweight, run-resistant printed nylon material stretches to fit almost all arms. It's a great look for both men and women, because of the size measurements are handmade. PLS allow 1 cm error. Please understand because of the light irradiation or computer display difference, so I can't guarantee photos and real color is 100% as the same with stocking. Bundle Monster Cool 5 PC DIY Printable Customized Temporary Tattoo. Great product. The paper is thin and clear, so you have very little of the paper show on the skin. It goes on and stays on. After 4 days I finally had to get some baby oil to remove it. 10 premium sheets of metallic gold, silver, turquoise, pink. What a wonderful variety of metallic tattoos the set of 10 premium sheets includes. Depending on how you cut them, there are 90 easy to apply tattoos in this package, and each one will last for 6 days with proper application. You can shower and swim without worry, as they will remain in place for the suggested time frame until you remove them. The average length of the wrist and ankle tattoos is 7-7-8 and vary in width. Metallic Tattoo did think to include a few that are shorter in length, but the longer ones can easily be shortened if needed. There are also several single-piece tattoos of various sizes, which can be placed on a shoulder, ankle, or just about anywhere you desire. Each sheet comes packaged in its own plastic sleeve to store them until you are ready to cut out the next one. Application instructions are printed on the back of each sheet, as well as on the cardboard topper by which the sheets are stapled together for shipping. Putting one on is super simple. Make sure your skin is free of oils and makeup. Select which tattoo you wish to apply and remove the clear protective top sheet. Carefully position and press the tattoo picture side down onto your skin and hold a wet cloth against the paper lining of the tattoo while you apply a slight amount of pressure until the entire paper backing is fully wet. Wait at least 30 seconds, then slowly and gently peel off the paper backing from your skin. The tattoo will look even better if you gently rinse it with water after applying. I love how the metallic tattoos sparkle and glimmer. The colors are bright and beautiful. Removing the tattoos is as easy as applying them. Simply saturate a cotton ball or paper towel with baby oil and press it on the tattoo for about 1 minute. The baby oil will allow the tattoo to be rubbed off completely with ease. At 60 years old, getting a real tattoo is not on my agenda, so I am very pleased to have had the opportunity to receive these metallic tattoos at a reduced cost in exchange for testing and review. Giving them a well-deserved 5-star recommendation. Best and cheapest metallic tattoos for adults and kids. These temporary tattoos are awesome. They look even better in person than they do online. I like the details in each of the tattoos and I love the selection to choose from. The gold and silver tattoos are cool. I hadn't used them before, so I was a little bit skeptical about how they would work. They go on just as easily as any other temporary tattoos I've used in my life. I really like the trend of the metallic tats. They are cute, fun, and easy to use. I have very sensitive skin, but I had nothing to worry about with these. I had absolutely no skin irritation at all. These will last for a few days but will look their best on the first couple of days they are applied. I received these at a discount to test and report my opinions on them. I'm under no obligation to leave a positive review and all thoughts are my own. Coca Happy 4 Sheets Temporary Tattoo for Men Women Arm. I used the owl from this to trick my boyfriend into thinking I got a real tattoo. He believed me. These are fun and the tattoo lasted about a week before I had to start scrubbing it off. I am not sure what would have been the easiest way to take it off. Scrubbing it off was not easy. Fun product, lasts for a while.